I was not going to make this video, but after hearing from so many of you that your doctors are now recommending the gelatin trick, I just had to dive in and explore why it's becoming a staple in the medical community. It seems like every time I turn around, another healthcare professional is touting the benefits of incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine. Researchers say that the unique properties of gelatin make it an ideal addition to a healthy lifestyle, and it's no wonder that people are seeing real results from making this simple change. My friend, who's a nurse, told me that she's been suggesting the gelatin trick to her patients for months now, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. By adding this one easy habit to their daily lives, people are noticing improvements in their overall wellness, and it's not hard to see why the gelatin trick is all about using basic ingredients to nourish your body. If you're curious about how to start using the gelatin trick to support your own health, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information, and take a look at the pinned comment below for some tips to get you started. Head to the link in my description to learn more about the gelatin trick and start seeing the benefits for yourself. And don't forget to take a look at the conversation in the pinned comment for some valuable insights from our community.